Hi, my name is Divya and I'm from Designing in Kitchen, and we are here presenting you the kitchen tall units and a couple of fittings. So this one is a tall appliance unit. We can have, so this one is the push to open unit. This for the microwave space, and this is the oven unit. And this is a luxury feel. And this one is a push to open drawer. We can have a deep drawer in this. And this comes with a microwave and oven with again a push to open unit we can have. And below over here we can have a deep drawer. Then this one we can have probably in your crockery storage for basically for your crockery, or maybe for the bar concept we can have, or maybe somewhere in the kitchen where we can have multiple usage of the storage. So like for the bar, something like this, we can have some glass accessories top of it. And this one is a slight storage we can accommodate. And this comes with a glass shell internally and with a profile light just to highlight it a bit. Then this one is another small storage we can have for a couple of wine bottles or some bottles we can get. And this is one appliance unit we can accommodate, or something like we can highlight with a decorative piece over here. And this one we can have for the built-in fridge unit. So if you see over here, so we can accommodate different types of built-in fridge unit, and we can create as per your requirement a car keys as well with the shutter profile. And below this we have this skirting called with a ventilation on the below just for the refrigerator. And this another unit you can accommodate with a built-in fridge. So thank you.